This is the elevator at Nordstrom, SouthPark in Charlotte, North Carolina. Schindler HT with MT chimes on the outside and HT chimes on the inside. Let's get it too. Here we go. Here are two. Let's go one. Okay, cat view. Identical to the one at SouthPark Mall. 3,500-pound capacity. Here are one. Coming up? Oh, I'm just going up.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Let's go to one. Green runs pretty well. It's nice for a Nordstrom. Here are one. Watch it close. And that's it.